In the summer of 2026, something monumental is about to happen. Imagine a synchronized migration on a massive scale. The biggest in sporting history. Millions will move across 3 countries. This isn't just any event, it's the FIFA World Cup. The logistics are staggering. We're talking about 48 nations and countless fans all in one massive celebration. It's a logistical challenge most can't fathom. So how do we navigate this? Today, we'll guide you through the travel intricacies of the 2026 World Cup. Our goal is to provide you with essential travel hacks and survival strategies. First, let's discuss the timeline. 39 days from June 14th to July 22. This tournament spans 22 cities across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. You're not just attending a game. You're immersing yourself in an entire continent's celebration. Think of it like planning a 39-day wedding. You have to manage everything from international borders to varying currencies. It's an experience filled with passionate fans and intense rivalries. The key challenge is travel fatigue. Organizers have developed a regional zoning strategy. This means grouping teams and fans in specific areas during the early matches. It's not just about saving money, it's about preserving energy. Instead of jumping from city to city, the guide suggests establishing base camps. This means selecting a few key cities to explore. Next, let's address the cost. Attending these matches can vary significantly. For early matches, tickets can start around $105. But for the finale in New York, expect to pay upwards of $500, potentially much more when factoring in accommodations and meals. It's important to plan your budget carefully. So, where do you begin your journey? The guide suggests starting in Mexico. Mexico is the only country hosting its 3rd World Cup. This brings a unique cultural richness to the tournament. Specifically, the guide recommends Mexico City and the iconic Estadio Azteca. It's nicknamed the Cathedral of Football for a reason. This historic stadium has played a vital role in football history. Next, the guide splits accommodation into 2 strategies: the backpacker route and the VIP experience. For those seeking adventure, Centro Historico offers budget-friendly options. But if you prefer a quieter stay, the upscale Roman neighborhood has you covered. The culinary scene in Mexico mirrors this high-low dynamic. You can find everything from street tacos to luxury dining experiences. This mix makes Mexico a vibrant host. As travelers transition to Canada, the atmosphere shifts. Canada provides a refreshing pace, balancing out the excitement from Mexico. In Toronto, multiculturalism enhances the World Cup experience. Accommodations vary, but there's something for everyone. From chic boutique hotels to high-end luxury, Toronto's food and culture cater to diverse tastes. Now, on to Vancouver. This city beautifully combines urban and natural landscapes. The guide encourages exploration of the region's stunning parks and forests. As travelers prepare for the American leg, they must navigate larger logistical challenges in the US. The focus here is on cultural hubs like Los Angeles and Miami, where intensity meets glamour. LA's dining scene can vary from food markets to upscale restaurants. Miami adds a vibrant nightlife and beach culture to the mix. These cities set the stage for the grand finale. Finally, the climax of the journey brings fans to New Jersey's MetLife Stadium. The guide offers options spanning budget to luxury accommodations. Each choice caters to different priorities, whether it's price, experience, or convenience. Remember, traveling during the World Cup can be overwhelming. but this travel guide is your roadmap. It highlights budget-friendly options in every city and teaches resource allocation tricks. The key takeaway? Plan ahead and secure your logistics. Book your accommodations and transport early to successfully navigate the chaotic landscape of the World Cup. This decentralized event offers a chance to explore diverse cultures across North America. The main focus might be football, but the real heart lies in the connections you'll make along the way. As we approach 2026, consider the overarching question: will this event unify or highlight contrasts among the three nations? The answer will unfold in real time. So, remember the essential rules: plan your base camps, embrace the chaos, and RSVP early. Join us on this journey, and let's explore the wonders of the 2026 FIFA World Cup.